I love my work. Every day, I get to film videos that help people grow their businesses better. It's rewarding and it's exciting. There's just one problem. I'm working remotely and I can't leave. If your job description includes creating video content and you have easy access to a studio, you're pretty lucky. But sometimes that is just not possible. Like if you're working remotely or starting out on a video content strategy or even on a shoestring budget. No fancy equipment or sets? No problem. Step 1, the brainstorm. The first step is coming up with an idea for your video. Think about the topics that are most relevant to your audience, the questions they might be asking, the things they want to learn, the problems they're trying to solve. What's a new creative way to answer those questions in a video, in a way that aligns with your brand? To figure that out, I like to brainstorm with my colleagues. Step 2, pre-production. After we're done brainstorming and ideating, I immediately go to a blank document and write down my thoughts on how to tie together the core idea or theme of the video with the brand's point of view. In other words, you might have a great concept about AI, but what's the right way for your business or brand to talk about it? Step 3, determining the video's format. Once I have creatively executed the video's point of view, I move on to what I call standardizing the video format or look and feel of the video. Is it going to be more of a news style interview or a vlog? And finally, I ask myself, will it need animation or B-roll? Once you've answered those questions, then you can kind of tell which equipment you need to make the video. And then you should determine if you can feasibly make this video with the equipment that you have on hand, or if you will need to go out and buy more. Step 4, equipment. Most videos require some basics. A camera, DSLR is best, but we'll cover how to use your phone if that's all you have. A tripod, a microphone, the one attached to your phone or camera will work if you're in a pinch, and a dependable quality source of light. I use LED light panels, but if you don't have those, a good lamp or sunlight through a window could work. Step 5, film it. So there are a few quick tips. Number 1, if you're filming on an iPhone or any smartphone, make sure that you always film it horizontally. This will make it a lot easier to edit for channels like YouTube. Tip number 2, try to have a plain background, unless you are trying to show your setting, like if you're at your desk, in the living room, or yard. But if you do have a plain background, ideally you would want to wear something that has a good contrast to the background, which will make you pop and make your videos look a lot more professional. Moving right along to tip number 3, light source. The sun is the best light source on planet Earth, and it happens to be free. However, it may not always be practical to use the sun for certain shots. In this case, using a desk lamp or ceiling lights is perfectly fine. Just make sure that whichever light source you're using, the light is behind the camera and reflecting off of your face. And that leads us to last but not least, tip number 4. Be fun, be energetic, be enthusiastic. If you aren't interested in your video, chances are your audience won't be either. And remember, take as many shots as you need to get the right shot. This isn't live TV, so you should use that to your benefit. Thank you, and I hope these tips help you out.